Welcome to our French for Beginners, Lesson 9, Course 10. First, let's review our previous lesson. Ready? Exercice. Marcher. Courir. Sauter. Faire de l'exercice. Nager. Faire du vélo. Jouer. Transpirer. J'aime. Je n'aime pas. J'adore. Je déteste. Very good. Let's start our lesson 9. Important verbs. Les verbes importants. Today won't be the easiest lesson. We will see few important verbs. Some of them are irregular. For those, you have no other choices than learn them by heart. Ready? Let's start. Être. Être. To be. Avoir. Avoir. To have. Aller. Aller. To go. Usually, double L in French sounds y. In this case, we separated the verb in two syllables. Aller. The reason why the double L here doesn't sound y, but le. Partir. Partir. To leave. Pouvoir. Pouvoir. To be able to. Parler. Parler. To talk or to speak. Voir. Voir. To see. Alright, let's see their conjugaison. Ready? Verbs ending with er, et. Je, the verb would end with e. Tu, the verb would end with es. Il, elle, on, the verb would end with e. Nous, the verb would end with letters ons. Vous, it will end with ez. Et. Il and elle with a silent s, the verb would end with ent. Let's make it clear. Parler, to speak. Je parle. This symbol over here means nothing, empty. Parle. Tu parles. Parle, silent S. Il, elle, on parle. The symbol of emptiness. Nous parlons. Parlons. Vous parlez. Parlez. Il, elle with a silent S. Parle. Parle. Very good. Next verb. Aller. This one is irregular. Let's try. Je vais. Je vais. Silent S. And the phonetic AI that sounds E. Je vais. Tu vas. Silent S. Va. Il, elle, on va. Va. The next one is regular. Nous allons. Nous allons. Vous allez. Regular. Vous allez. Irregular again. Il, elle with a silent S. Vont. Vont. Very good. For this verb, again, you have no other choices than learn it by heart. Verbs ending with ir, ir. Let's see. Je, the verb would end with letter S or ES. Tu, just the same. Il, elle, on, the verb would end with letter T or IT. Nous, the verb would end with ONS or deux S, ONS. Deux means two. Deux S. Vous, the verb would end with EZ, et, or deux S, EZ, C. Il and elle with the silent S, the verb would end with ENT or deux S, ENT. Let's check this. First verb, partir. Je pars. Silent S. Je pars. Tu pars. Same here. Silent S. Tu pars. Il, elle, on part. Silent T. Part. Nous partons. Nous partons. Vous partez. Vous partez. Il, elle, silent S, partent. Il, elle, partent. Second verb, grandir. To grow up. Je grandis. Silent S. Tu grandis. Same here. Tu grandis. Silent S. Il, elle, on grandit. IT. Grandit. Silent T. Nous grandissons. Nous grandissons. Deux S, ONS. Vous grandissez. Vous grandissez. Deux S, EZ. Il, elle grandissent. Il, elle grandissent. Deux S, ENT. Here, the double S is added simply to make the word sounds better. Verbs ending with re, re, or oir, war. Let's check this. Je, the verb would end with an S. Tu would be the same. Il, elle, on, the verb would end with letter T or nothing, emptiness. Nous, the verb would end with ONS or deux S, ONS, same as for the verbs ending with IR. Vous, the verb would end with EZ or deux S, EZ. Il and elle with a silent S, the verb would end in three different ways. ENT, e, ONT, on, deux S, ENT, se. Alright, again, let's make it clear. Avoir, to have. As I told you earlier, sometimes in French, the subject I, je, needs to replace its letter I with an apostrophe because the following verb starts with a vowel. Je ai wouldn't sound good. J'ai. J'ai. Very good. Tu as. Silent S. Tu as. Il, elle, on a. Il a. Elle a. On a. Here, you link the letter N of on with a, the verb avoir, because it is a consonant here and a vowel here. On a. Nous avons. Same rule over here. Nous ends with a consonant. Avons starts with a vowel. We link them together. Nous avons. This one is regular. Vous avez. Vous avez. Regular. Ils, elles ont. Ils, elles ont. Again, we link the usual silent S to the verb avoir conjugated. On. Ils ont. Elles ont. Very good. Next verb. Pouvoir. This one is irregular. Je peux. Je peux. Silent X and the phonetic I and U, E. Je peux. Tu peux. Same rules over here. Tu peux. Il, elle, on peut. Il, elle, on peut. Silent T. Nous pouvons. Regular. Nous pouvons. Vous pouvez. Vous pouvez. Regular. Ils, elles peuvent. Irregular. Ils, elles peuvent. We change the letter O into the letter E simply to make it sound better. Ils, elles pouvent wouldn't sound good. Peuvent. Alright? Voir. To see. Je vois. Silent S. Je vois. Tu vois. Same. Silent S. Tu vois. Il, elle, on voit. Silent T. Il, elle, on voit. Nous voyons. Nous voyons. Here we want to make it 2 syllables. Voix and yon. To do so, we need to change letter I to letter Y. Nous voyons. Nous voyons. Vous voyez. Voyez. Vous voyez. Very good. Il, elle, voit. Il, elle, with a silent S, voit. Alright. One last verb. Completely irregular, but one of the most important. This one, you'll need to learn it by heart. Let's try. Je suis. Je suis. Silent S and the phonetic oui with the letters U and I. Je suis. Tu es. Tu es. Here, the letter S isn't silent. It's changing the sound of letter E into E. Tu es. Il, elle, on est. Again, you have to link. Il, elle, on est. Silent T. Nous sommes. Nous sommes. Usually, letter O in French sounds O. Placed before double, the letter O change its sounds to O. Nous sommes. Nous sommes. Silent S. Very good. Vous êtes. Vous êtes. Silent S again. Ils, elles sont. Ils, elles sont. Alright, let's have several short practices. Ready? Entraînement. You will simply need to translate into French. Let's do this. I will give you a minute. Alright, you can start. Alright, how did it go? Not so easy, right? Let's check this together. Are these what you said? I am. Je suis. He speaks. Il parle. They can. Ils peuvent. Elles peuvent. Your own choice. One rule in no matter if you have 10 girls, 100 girls, 200 girls, as long as you have one man, it will have to be masculine. Il peut. Unfair, right? Next one. You are. Tu es. We go. Nous allons. Or, more familiar, on va. She sees. Elle voit. I have. J'ai. Let's get to the second entraînement. Again, I will leave you about a minute. You can start. Alright, let's correct this together. First one, they are. Ils sont. Or elles, if it's 100 girls and one boy, ils sont. I speak. Je parle. You can. Tu peux. We are. Nous sommes. Or, more familiar, on est. You all leave. Vous partez. I see. Je vois. They have. Ils ont. Or, elles ont. Great! Let's now review all the verbs we've learned today. Ready? Être. Avoir. aller, partir, pouvoir, parler, voir. Not so easy today, right? You will need few practice for this lesson. You can do this. Good luck! Bravo! Congratulations!